out in Brunei on a morning stroll when the sun is not completely out yet, so the heat is not yet there. In an hour there will be a lot of more sun and it will be very hot. This is a mosque. There are so many mosques here. Concrete boat with a bridge connected to it. This goes from the mosque here. For the 60th Jubilee, I think, of the Sultan. Because again, from these texts I can't make anything of this. The Jame Asr Hassanil Bolkiah Mosque in the capital of Brunei, in Bandar Seri Begawan. This is the largest mosque, and that's the one that is on the $10 bill of Brunei, as this mosque. There's this little park over here. Alright, so I just took a boat to Kampang Ayer, which is these houses here on stilts, and I came from the capital, well, from the center of the capital, Bandar Seri Begawan, to Kampang Ayer. And Kampang Ayer is this village here on stilts, like and pillars, wooden houses with some nice colors. Alright, let me explain this. This is this is to protect my ears because there is like a wind, and I have some, like my left ear, I have some problems with my left ear, like it's hurting me, and I even took a painkiller but it doesn't help much. So yeah, next time when I take the boat again to the other side, I will have this on because I'm getting too much like wind in my ear. So this is why I have this. This is not to look more like a Muslim or something. This is just me protecting my ears. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take a walk in the Kampang Ayer village and see what I can find here. I like actually how everything is nicely connected, like with these little bridges, and you can walk everywhere, like from one house to the other. Another boat passing by. This must be a store, but it's closed now, I think. Yeah, they're selling ice cream here, and even Oreo cookies. This is like Venice, the Venice of Brunei. Whoa, look at this. The speed that it's going. That's just crazy speed. These boats are going under this small hole under the bridge. Because I must say the water is high, but it probably gets higher monsoon season. I don't know. But yeah, and you see Brunei flags everywhere. Everywhere. For the first time I hear something like music coming out of that building here. It's probably a store. Yeah, it is. It's a flower store. And this is the mosque. The green building is the mosque, and there we have the minaret. Yeah, that's the one. The minaret of this mosque. Jeszcze gwiazdka pomyślności nigdy nie zagaśnie, nigdy nie zagaśnie. A kto z nami nie wypije, niech się pod stół skryje. Oh, the nice flag. Trying to make a picture. I'm here on a concrete bridge overlooking this other modern bridge, and then Kampang Ayer. With over there the mosque that I passed, the little mosque of Kampang Ayer. There's some woman going over there, and this side I haven't been, so I'm just gonna go check out this side. Małpa i kogut w klatce. Jeden koło drugiego. Próbuję to trochę bliżej zobaczyć. No tu kogut. Sąsiad kogut. Małpi świąt z kogutem. A monkey and a rooster next to each other. And there is even a house here with a logo of Manchester United Football Club. So I don't know, must be a fan of Manchester here. Here we have it. And here we have another big mosque with the green domes. Just came me for a $1 boat trip. And the guy dropped me off here at this mosque, so I'm gonna take a stroll over here. Okay, so I've just spotted a gate that is open, so I'm just gonna try to enter from here. Yeah, I'm inside the mosque with the green domes. I don't even know if I am allowed here, so I'm just gonna snap this quick video how it looks inside. Looks very nice. There's like only 2 people here praying. One is over there and then there's one around the corner. It's a very nice carpet actually. And there I see a sign that the cell phones are not allowed, but I'm not calling anybody, or there's nobody going to call me. Okay, so I found my way out, not to take a boat to cross it. I'm here at another bridge and there is a park over there. I think I was close when I was at the mosque with the green domes. Anyway, I'm walking here now on this bridge with the moon, and maybe this is called Moon Bridge. And over there, where these apartment blocks are, one of them is my hostel. The first floor of one of these apartments is a hostel light, where I'm staying for 2 nights here in Brunei. I call it Moon Bridge. With this moon, half moon, like on the most of the Muslim flags have them, like, you know, from Muslim countries like Pakistan has it, Turkmenistan has it, Turkey has it, Algeria has it, Morocco doesn't have it. Anyway, let's do a 360 video here and wrap it up. Alright, so it's not a simple moon bridge as I call it. Of course we're in Brunei, so everything is longer. So it's the Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin pedestrian bridge. So yeah, that's what it is with the moon over there. I'm just gonna call it Moon Bridge because it's easier. And this is the mosque, the Ali Saifuddin Mosque. There's a very nice little park over here. It's a playground for kids. Playground for kids over there. And I think I'm gonna go down and have a little walk in this park. In Western Europe, born and raised on the playground in Brunei is where I spend my days, chilling and relaxed, and all cool, and you know. And I've visited a little Brunei school. Wouldn't that be a new good theme song for the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? The Fresh Prince of Brunei, actually. So finally the gate is open. I think it's somewhere around noon right now, or maybe already past that, because I've been walking and walking. So this is the boat, and I'm gonna walk up to the boat. Boat, the mosque, the water, Brunei. All right. I am the captain of the boat. Moon Bridge, mosque with the green domes, and yeah, canvas. Welcome on my boat. Captain speaking. This is the house of the former Sultan of Brunei, so the father of the one that is in charge now, and that was his house. He ruled from here over Brunei. That was before Brunei discovered oil and gas, and since they discovered it, they became very rich, and they have a palace now where they're living in. The Sultan lives in a big palace, and this one here, well, there is security like 24 hours, so but you can't visit it actually. It's behind this fence, and that's the building. So it's a very important building here in Brunei. Hello from Brunei, Paul meets world. Mosque. Bandar Seri Begawan in Brunei at night. This is the canvas at night with the mosque. It's nice for a picture. Bar, music is coming from there. There we have the big bridge. Okay, bye bye Brunei.